Hi everyone and welcome back to DeversiFi. In this walkthrough tutorial, I will be showing you how to join and connect your wallet to DeversiFi right from your mobile. Before you get started, please ensure you have already installed the relevant wallet app on your mobile device. To get started, you'll need to navigate to app.diversifi.com from your mobile browser. From here, click on the Connect Your Wallet button. This should open up a pop-up with the different wallet integrations that DeversiFi currently supports. In this tutorial, we will be connecting our Metamask wallet, so we will click on that one. This opens up the Metamask app on your phone and will prompt you to log into your wallet. This will automatically open up the DeversiFi app from within your wallet. You can now follow the instructions on screen to finish connecting your wallet. And that's it, you have successfully connected your wallet to DeversiFi and are ready to either make your first deposit or start trading straight from your mobile. If you're unsure how to make your first deposit, please check out our other tutorial on making your first deposit to the platform. The link will be in the description. And that's all for today, folks. We hope you enjoy using the mobile version of DeversiFi half as much as we've had building it for you. See you soon!